In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create some passive income and you can set it up in 10 minutes. It's a beginner-friendly side hustle anyone can do from anywhere in the world. All right, so first thing you'll do is go to ChatGPT. So now you guys are pretty familiar with ChatGPT, so you're gonna log in. So once you're here, you're gonna type generate. We're gonna do 30 inspirational quotes. And you can do more than that. I'm just taking 30 for now, so we'll wait for ChatGPT to go through and create your 30 inspirational quotes. Okay, so now we have the 30 we wanted. So you'll simply just copy all the quotes. So copy, and then we'll go to Google Spreadsheets. So simple, open a Google Spreadsheet. So once you're here, you'll simply just paste. So right click, paste, and now you have all your inspirational quotes, and we can just extend that. So we have 30, as you can see. And this file, you want to save it, to download it as a CSV file. So, okay, so you just save it as a CSV file. You can see here it's been downloaded. Now you want to go to Canva, canva.com, and you will get a template. So we can first go to the templates right here, and let's pick something for social media. And you know what, we'll go to Instagram, not Instagram, but yeah, let's go to TikTok videos because you can really grow fast over there, as we know. And here you're gonna just pick a template. So whichever you want, we can pick this one or this one. It really doesn't matter. Let's pick that one. And we're gonna customize this template right here. So what I'll do, I'll just remove this because we don't need it. We can remove this as well, and this one will keep. So what you'll want to do, you'll go here in the corner here where you see bulk creates. You want to go here first, and you will upload your CSV file, which is that one. It's the last one I had. And then from there, once you're there, you'll go on here on the text, and you will simply click on the three dots right here. You will connect data, and you'll click here on the quote, the first quote, believe in yourself. And when you get there, so this is the first quote, you can format it a better way. So just gonna remove that. Yeah, so now it looks good. So once you have that, you'll click on continue right here. Remove that, and here you're gonna generate 29, the other 29 quotes. So we're gonna have the 30 quotes, and you can go ahead, and it is gonna create your quotes, like your 30 videos that are ready to post on TikTok. So once that's done, you simply go here and you can download. You just can download here. And after that, okay, then you'll want to go to TikTok and you will create an account. And then it's extremely simple, guys. You know, that account has 700,000 followers, and look at all the videos. They're simple videos, and you have just a quote, a nice sentence here that's boosting people's mindset. That's pretty much what it is. And look at the views, guys. So this is going to be very simple. The more views you get, I mean, it is incredibly high. The more views you'll get, the more people are gonna for sure, follow you and everything. And then what you will make sure to do is to add your link. So here you have a Linktree link. I don't know what that person is promoting, but whatever you want to promote that is related to whatever your videos are about. So let's say if you're trying to sell a making money online course, you could have like um, business mindset quotes right here. So you can create like a few. You can see it takes 5 minutes to create a bulk of them, and then you simply put your link and your product, and every time someone is going to click on that link to buy the product you're promoting, and then we can check it out. Actually, open anyway, let's see. Well, obviously that person is promoting their YouTube channel, TikTok and Instagram, but you could have a product there. And if you do have a product, then every time someone is going to click on that link, you will make a commission for that product, depending on the product you're promoting. But that's the idea. The idea is to use Canva to create a ton of video in a very short amount of time, because we know how time consuming that can be to create content. And then to create an account on TikTok, could be Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. YouTube is good for that too. And actually we can check it out and see the views to see if that channel is growing. It's obviously growing, but you can do it to promote your channel too. It is a great way of doing it. Yeah, so it's a brand new channel, obviously 315 subscribers. But yeah, so that's the idea, guys. The idea is to use social media to make money with your audience. So if you create some quick videos, you can post them every day. So I recommend posting 3 to 5 videos per day. Stay consistent. So if you want to create 90 videos here, then you'll be able to post 3 a day. That's going to cover your month. So 90 videos, I did it just earlier today. It took me 5 minutes, no kidding. And then that's all, you're all set. You just create your social media account, whichever one you want to grow, and post every day. And I promise you'll have success doing that. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right here. And I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. See you guys.